Hello guys, it's great to see you all here today. What our team are going to introduce today is speech recognition. As you may already know, speech recognition is a technique which let the computer understand what we're talking about. But it isn't the most important of it. According to an article I read recently, more and more international corporations are developing a product named virtual assistant. What is virtual assistant? Virtual assistant is a little robot that can control our electrical appliances such as air conditioner, television, refrigerator by just listening to our voice. Now you may be a little confused. How can the machine understand our language? The secret inside is speech recognition. Our goal of this presentation is to let more people understand what speech recognition is and how will it change our lives. Our presentation is in 3 parts. First, we will introduce what is speech recognition, including its history and its basic theory. Second, we'll explain how it works and show you guys how the program translates our language into the signal that computer can understand. Last, we'll talk about both experts and our view about speech recognition and its future.
Next, I will talk about what is speech recognition. First, I will talk about the timeline style. In 1960s, first speech recognition was invented by Bell Laboratories. Then, in 1970s, Bell Laboratories upgraded its system to understand multiple voices. Next, in 1980s, one of the breakthroughs came from a statistical method known as the HHM module was invented. In 1990s, speech recognition was combined with computer and truly be known by people. Nowadays, this technique has been widely applied with internet, like Siri in your phone or OK Google. Next, we will talk about 4 topics of speech recognition. Language weighting. Improve precision by weighting specific words that are spoken frequently. It means that the system will recognize specific words that we use in daily routine, such as company's name, even though it isn't really a word. Next is speaker labeling. Output a transcription that cites or tags each speaker's contributions to a multi-participant conversation. For example, in a multiple-participant meeting, the system can recognize who is speaking currently. Third is acoustics training. Train the system to adapt to an acoustic environment and speaker styles. This system works like the ENC in headphones. The ENC uses 2 microphones. One is to gather the speech from the speaker. The other is to gather the environmental noise after that. The environmental noise will be deleted. Last is profanity filtering. Use filters to identify certain words or phrases and sanitize speech output. This system can censor, substitute, or hide offensive words and improve your experience.
Now I'm going to talk about how it works. The progression can be divided into 5 parts: read, transform, classify, find association, and predict. And all of these are done by 2 modules. These 2 are acoustic module and language module, and now I will introduce one of each. For example, hidden marker modules is a most common acoustic module. In the picture you can see, after the sound be read into signal, A costing module will make the voice signal into syllables by statistics. For example, if you say tomorrow, the system will make the sound into 3 parts, to, mar, and ro. Then the language module will work. The language module, for example, in syntax systems, will classify each syllables and find the association between them. Finally, by calculation, language module can predict the most possible sentence that the syllables will make up. So in this picture, you can see, for example, if you say tomorrow I will go, the system will make all the syllables into 10 parts. And the system will also classify the space, the part that doesn't make sounds. So it will be tomorrow and space, then I, and space, and will, and space, then go. And finally, the sentence will make up tomorrow, space, I, space, will, space, go. Then the progression will be done.
Now I'm talking about expert view and our view. Expert view. I think that as speech recognition, the accuracy goes from say 95% to 98, 99 to 99.9. All of us in the room will go from barely using it today or infrequently to using it all the time. So let me summarize what we've said. Speech recognition has become mainstream. We can simply send some words instead of describing by text. That will be more convenient where we are working. In the future, almost every electrical appliances can combine with speech recognition. This sense and technology will be more mature and accurate. I think speech recognition can bring to new technological era, and it will also bring a great benefit to our life. As a whole, we think that speech recognition has a huge potential to develop, so we chose this topic for our English presentation. Hope our presentation can let everybody know more about speech recognition. Thank you for listening.